All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jay. Um, and this is the thing. So I grabbed the PC from Lyte Technologies. They have like a build kit, and what they do is they'll put all the parts together for you. They'll send it to you. They also have a build guide, and you can watch it along with making it. Um, and that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to build a PC, but like I was struggling with finding the right pieces to put in and all that good jazz. So they really helped me out a lot with that process versus some of these other sites that it's still very customizable. But for me, it was kind of cool that it was just all in one spot. They'll send me the parts and I'll put it together type shit. You know what I'm saying? So let's pop them open. All right. So I mean, before this too, I had a laptop. I had an Alienware laptop that was way too much money from God knows how long ago. And we're gonna take this stuff out. So here's the graphics card. It looks so pretty. An EVGA RTX 2060. Not the greatest out, but it's definitely gonna get the job done for everything I needed to do for a decently long time. So that's the fun part of this whole thing. That's what makes everything go brr. You know what I'm saying? And then this is the case that I'm assuming has everything else in it. Ugh. All right. Put that off to the side. And then this is the case. The case is a Dark Phantom by Antec ARGB. So it's gonna light up and shit. You know what I'm saying? I like that kind of shit. So let's oh, box is a little messed up here, but I'm pretty sure everything's fine. Let's take our trusty scissors and get this bad boy open. I like ripping boxes open. It's my thing. Alright. Alright, so I think they said oh. See, I thought the one I was getting was white. This one's black. Okay. Okay. Let's see. They did say that if certain parts weren't available, that they would either uh, give me another part of the same value or upgrade me to another one that they had, whether it's fans or coolers or whatever. So let's pop this bad boy upside down, like so. Come on, dude, what's happening? Oh, this is like stuck in the box. See if that helps. There we go. Get this styrofoam off. Boom. Hmm. Okay, I was wondering where all the other pieces were, and they're here. They're inside the glass panel. So let's get get that out of the way. Okay. Boom. Okay. Here I am. Hi. Okay, so let's move the graphics card out of the way for now. So does these twist off so we can get inside to grab everything? These do twist off. Okay. It's a little hot in here, son. So I'm really excited for this. I've been watching videos about this stuff. You know, watching like Johnny 2 Cents and stuff. I watch another channel called PC Centric. Um, there's a couple others out there. Just for some reason, I can't remember their names. Obviously, Linus Tech Tips. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's take this glass panel off real quick. Tempered glass panel. Let's place this off to the side. You know, thankfully it's got plastic on both sides, so we don't got to worry about anything happening to the plastic while we're working. I'm getting a phone call, and that's not happening right now. I am busy. Oh, that's a filter, and it's magnetic. Okay. So here's our motherboard. We got a Prime B450 from Asus. You know what I'm saying? Pretty good motherboard. From what I've seen, it's pretty versatile. It's using in a bunch of different builds I've seen. Let's see what else we have in here, because there's so many goodies. You don't want to lose your screws either. You know, those are important. Don't lose your screws. And then we have our fan. This is a stock fan, RGB from Retro. I don't even know what that company, like, I don't know nothing about them, but yeah, cool. All right, and then there's nothing in there. Some more bubble wrap. And I'm assuming this is our drives. This is our terabyte hard drive. And then our power supply, which is a Kratos Gold 750 watt, 80 plus gold. That's also RGB, gangsta. So let's actually stand this up on its feet for now. There's still some bubble wrap in here. Let's take the rest of the bubble wrap out. All right. Whew, it's hot. And then this side panel comes off too. And then this side will be where all your cable management stuff is. Well, this is weird though. I didn't see a CPU. This motherboard box is open. Maybe it's in there. Sorry, I wanted this all to be a surprise for all of us because I haven't opened the box yet. So I didn't want to. This isn't open. Let's open it. Let's see if the CPU is in here. Yup, there we go. All right, so this is our 1 terabyte hard drive. All right, we'll put that off to the side for now. And then we also got a 500 gig NVMe Gen 3 SSD. It's another place to store storage. USB drive that's got the Windows on it. And then here is our CPU. I don't know if you can really see it. So here we got a Ryzen 7 2700X. Which is pretty neat. I don't really know what's special about the 2700X. I just know that initially I was getting the 2700. So that's cool. And then we also have our 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4 3200 megahertz. Good shit. You know what I'm saying? What else is in here? Okay, cords, need those. Voila. And then motherboard, I/O shield, hardware screws, manual, and a support DVD. All right, we're gonna put the manual support DVD to the side. This doesn't have any styrofoam underneath it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the motherboard. We're gonna take the motherboard out, and then we're gonna build right on the motherboard on top of the box. If you want to know why, because when I watched the build video beforehand, it said to do that if this didn't come with styrofoam, which it didn't. So that's fine. But that's what we're gonna do. All right. Sound good? Whoo. Okay. All right. So we have our motherboard out. Soon I'm gonna start playing the video. We have our CPU here. Cooler can go to the side, so can the power supply. I know I should probably put them somewhere else besides my couch, but that's the space we got, so that's the space we using. You feel me? All right. It's so fucking hot. Jesus. All right. So first, let's get this little shield thingy out. And the way the shield goes in, it's going to pop in with these at the bottom. These are going to be your audio jacks and such. So let me turn this around so you can see. Okay. So this should actually just pop right in over here. Didn't think this was going to be the part I was going to have trouble with. Okay, gotta change. It's too hot. Okay, so we'll start with the case. Ignore that. Alright, back panel off. Okay. So so because it gave me a different case and I watched this video earlier, now I got all types of nervousness about how I'm supposed to follow them do this, give or take. I mean, granted, obviously it shouldn't be too hard, but it's even down to like he said I was gonna find a bag of hardware. Okay. So so because it gave me a different case and I watched this video earlier, now I got all types of nervousness about how I'm supposed to follow them do this, give or take. I mean, granted, obviously it shouldn't be too hard, but it's even down to like he said I was gonna find a bag of hardware back here. There's no bag. So, but I should still have everything I need to get the job done, hopefully. All right. So since there's no hardware bag, the zip ties that they used, well, yeah, whatever. We're gonna take them. We're gonna use them. All right. So should I just, because he's talking about screws and stuff. There's no screws in here. These are wires. These don't look like the screws he's talking about. Y'all really having troubles with this shit, man. Yeah, like maybe I'm putting it in the wrong one. So, we're already having issues, people, on the smallest piece of this whole thing. Said I'm supposed to be pushing it in, my nigga. This just not pushing in nowhere. Like, what the fuck?
And your IO shield is in this phone. Alright, now pop in that one, pop in that. Push in the opposite side.
Said I'm supposed to be pushing it in, my nigga. This just not pushing in nowhere. Like, what the fuck?
And your IO shield is in this phone. Alright, now pop in that one, pop in that. Push in the opposite side.